Hey, welcome to a brand new video. I'm Anna. This is my channel, From Anna. Welcome. We are watching a watercolor with me replay from last year. Don't have a date, sometime in April, I think. It's gonna be a good one. We've got some things to talk about though, so you're gonna want to stick around. Alrighty, so right off the bat, we've got a great video with a little bit of a sketchbook tour, although this sketchbook is already finished and I have already flipped it in its entirety, so I will link that for you. In the meantime, it's always nice to see all our other stuff. I have this tiny little palette. I follow Furry Little Peach, and she paints with I'm gonna write the name down in the description box because I can't remember how to say it. Anyways, I bought this little palette. Obviously I'm all set to paint with it. Also talk about my pencil, which is also linked down below because I use it every day. So I've got this little palette and it's cute. It's got some colors and I'm thinking maybe we're gonna get something different here. When I ordered it from Amazon, I was hoping for more. When it arrived, these are my magic pencils. I will also link those below. I'm going to start writing this down because I'm making a lot of promises right now. What we start off with is some basic 8 or snowmen or 2 circles on top of each other, sitting on the line. This is the bird one. I like this one. They turn out so cute. Spoiler alert. Do you see me? Do you see me reaching over my body to get across to my other palette? I love this palette. And I think this video really brings it home because by the time this video was shot, I've had my palette for a long time. And I bought this little one thinking maybe this brand was better, maybe these watercolors were going to be something else. I am always looking for a better red, especially one that my heat tool won't turn brown, because that's a real bummer. See right here, I gave up on it. Bye. Bye. Do not fret, we will see our friend again. you doing? You like it so far? I'm enjoying it. I love the way the colors melt together. Here I am with the little palette, trying to show you how it's cute. If it's your hand, I have really little hands, if that helps. This brush is teeny tiny. I could never use it. It's got good what are those called, like color wells, you know, if you want to mix and you're into that thing. It's a cool palette, but it's no different from Winsor & Newton and from my Sargento or Jane Davenport, if you have those as well. It's all the same stuff, apparently. Got my pen. Talked about my pen. Pen is linked down below. Got a new one coming, or maybe it's already here by the time this posts. Who knows? I'm really excited because I love this pen, but I got it in a different color. Oh, can you guess? Can you guess? Leave your guesses down below. If you've followed me, you know where I'm going. Anywho, little birds are looking quite cute. They're coming together, right? Yeah. I'm glad you're liking this. I like hanging out with you guys like this. It's like we're on a little date watching my videos. It's also cool because I can talk to you about the technique without kind of talking, I don't know, editing the whatever nonsense I was talking about that particular day. It doesn't really have any more value to you guys as an audience here on YouTube. So being able to share the art in a different way, it's cute. Also, I want to remind you, just in case, please subscribe. Like, subscribe. That's a normal thing to ask for, right? Yeah. Turn on the bell if you dare. I also keep you updated over on Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, make sure you do. And I'm going to let you finish watching this nice and quietly. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I promise.